Hello guys, so today we are going to see how to create our first ReactJS project. But before creating that, we need to install NodeJS, which is a JavaScript engine which is used to run any kind of code which is written in JavaScript. As we know that ReactJS is a JavaScript library which is used for web development, is written in JavaScript. So for running the ReactJS application or any website, we need to use the tool NodeJS. So how to install Node.js? First of all, for installing Node.js, you need to go to the Node.js website, and in there you will get an option of downloading it for Windows or Mac or anything. So I'm downloading for it Windows at 16.3.0 version. So let's download it. So it's downloaded. We will going to run it. After that, you need to just follow some process for installing it in your computer. So it has started installing. So we have installed the Node.js, and after installing it, we need to see if we have installed it correctly or not. So we will go to my computer, and in my computer, we will go to program files. In program files, we can see a folder Node.js. But before using the Node.js command, we need to give a path to our system so that our system will recognize either we have Node.js installed or not before using the command. So for giving the path, all you need to have to do is click on this folder, go to Node modules, go inside the npm folder and go into the bin folder. After going in, copy this path. Now after copying, just search environment variables. Click on the environment variables and go to the path section. In this path section, go to edit and you can add new path here. So whatever you copied, the path of the node folder, you need to paste here. So we have pasted here and click on OK. So now we have installed the Node.js folder and we have given the path to our system to recognize. Now we just need to test if we have installed it correctly or not. Open the command prompt and check node underscore. We can see the version. We are able to see the version. It means Node.js is installed successfully in our system. So after installing Node.js, we will see how to create first project in ReactJS. For that, you need to go to the ReactJS website. There, they have given a tutorial to how to get started with ReactJS. Here they have given a total tutorial which will give you step-by-step commands so that you can start first project in ReactJS. So we will see how to do it. We will create a new React app. For creating the new React app, we will use this command npx create React app. We need to run this command in a command prompt. So before running this command in a command prompt, we need to install the create React app. This is a package which we need to install before creating the first project. So first decide where you need to create a first project. For that, we will create a first project into our desktop. In desktop, we will create a new folder which we can give as first project, first React project. Okay, we will go inside this folder. Now in this folder, first of all, we need to install the create React app command. Sorry, package. NPM, what is NPM? NPM is a package manager which is used to install any kind of modules or package which are used in React.js. Okay, so this is installed. Now we will run this command for creating the first project. This command will create a project as named as my dash app. So it's almost done. Okay, so our first ever project in React.js is created or installed. So now they have already given some commands which we need to use while running our project. So they have given to use the command npm start to run our project. So before starting this project, we will use a tool called Visual Studio Code, which will be very helpful tool, or we can say the code editor to run any kind of projects in React.js. So I will open this project of React.js in Visual Studio Code. Look, so our React app is started automatically, and we can see the React logo here and some text here, which they have already written in the project. So now in the next video, we will see that how we can edit this code and make our own website with our changes. So this was very easy installation of Node.js and creating a single project in React app with using a single command. So this is only for this video. In the next video, we will see some other extraordinary elements of React.js for creating beautiful and extraordinary websites.